Did you know that penguins are incredible swimmers, capable of flying underwater at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour? Their wings have evolved into flippers, making them agile and efficient swimmers. Emperor penguins can dive to depths of over 1,800 feet and stay underwater for more than 20 minutes, showcasing their remarkable diving abilities. Penguins have solid bones which help them dive and stay submerged, unlike other birds that have hollow bones for flight. So, next time you see a penguin, remember their incredible underwater flight and impressive diving skills.